Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to disable if you are do autofill on password on Google Chrome and it keep asking for password on your laptop or PC. So here the problem is it's not your PC, but the problem is on your Google Chrome. So what you have to do, you go to your settings on your Google Chrome, you click these settings, and then here find for Windows Hello. You just type in Windows Hello like this. Okay, and then click the Google Password Manager, and then here on the left side you can see the settings, and then you have to turn off this Windows Hello. Use Windows Hello when filling password. So when you disable this option, you ask for the password at the first time. Now I already disabled this one, and I'm tried one more time for the autofill. Now the autofill didn't ask for my laptop password. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.